Hi there, this is AniBusiness with your friend Simeon. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not been following me, please do so to follow me. I've been educating us on how to use all this feed based on their percentage, what you are going to get, the nutrients you are going to get in all the ingredients you are buying outside. I am not giving you feed formula. So in today's video now, we are going to be talking about hash. What is hash? Hash is the amount or quantity of minerals left in the food that you can find in the food. For example, most of the ingredients we are getting outside, some of them have been processed before they have extract one thing or the other from those ingredients. For example, GNC, they take oil. PKC, they take oil. Okay, then we have something like a brewery waste. They have already taken the nutrients inside it to do either beer or malt or whatever. So they've taken nutrients from those materials you are using. Now the leftover one is what we are talking about now. If you remember in one of my videos, I told you that your pig need up to 4 or 5 components of nutrient inside their food, which include energy, which is carbohydrate source, that is a weight, it will give your animal weight, then protein, which is bodybuilding, then fat, also for fat and growth, then fiber, okay, then the last one is mineral. Okay, that was what I told you in that video if you've been following me up. So we've talked about carbohydrate, energy, we've talked about protein, fats and fiber. Now we are talking about mineral, which comes from ash. Now what is our mineral? Minerals are the elements in food that helps your animal to grow or to develop. Examples of the minerals you are going to get inside the materials I'm going to list for you today are: number 1, calcium, potassium, chloride, magnesium, okay, zinc and iron, so on and so forth. Like I told you some times ago, that even if you give water leaf or potato leaves to your pig, that pig is eating either fiber, protein or little vitamin or any other nutrient that is in that particular thing you are giving to the pig. So all these things you are giving to the pig, they have 1 or 2, 3 or 4 different nutrients in them that your animal can benefit when you give them to eat. So understand this. Today now we are just going to be talking about the mineral source, which is ash. So I'll be listing 7 things. Remember, I told you I'm not giving you feed formula. I'm only explaining how all these things work, the nutrients you are going to get in them, then how you can easily mix them together, the percentage you can mix together, or what you can join together that will correlate, that will go together, or that will give you one result, a particular result that you are looking for, what you can match together, put together, mix together, that will give you maybe level of something that you are going to mix together and give it to your pig, and whenever they eat it, they can convert it to something better. Yes, pig are one of the animals that can easily convert whatever things you give them into a good nutrient in their body. So they have that body system. Now, like I told you, I'll be listing 7 things, which we are going to start with. Number 1, GNC. GNC has around 5 to 6% ash or mineral, whatever you call it, in it. If you are mixing GNC inside the feed you are giving to your pig, that means that pig also have access to other nutrients, including minerals. Although we have additives outside like methionine, lysine, taurin binder, multivitamin or ascorbic vitamin you call it, the premix, so on. All these additives have the minerals or better things in them, like medicine in them, that they add to the system of this animal when you feed them with it. You get the feed that you are giving to your animal also have some of these minerals in them. Number 2, that is going to be wheat bran. Wheat bran also have 5 to 6% ash in it that you can put together. So if you are using GNC and you are using wheat bran all together, know that 5% or 6% of the wheat bran plus 6% of the GNC put together will give you up to 12% of minerals that you need inside the feed you are mixing together. Number 3 is soya beans. Soya beans have 5% to around 8% mineral in it that you can get and mix with the food you have at the farm. Number 4 is rice bran. Rice bran have around that 6 to 9% mineral in it. Number 5 is black soldier larva. Black soldier fly also have around that 8% to 9% mineral in it. It also have high fat in it, around that 29% to 30% that I forget to list in the fat video I made not long ago. If you have access to black soldier fly or black soldier larva, you are good to go. You are using a very good source of protein with fats, with fiber, and also with mineral. Number 6, that is poultry meal. Poultry meal has around that 12% to around 16% mineral in it that you can get. So if you have access to poultry meal, you have access to a lot of nutrient inside it. Number 7, which is the last one, is fish meal. Fish meal is around 21 to 25%. It has around that 21 to 25% mineral. That is what you are going to get inside fish meal. Blood doesn't have enough. I think it's around that 1% to around 3% mineral that you are going to get inside blood. So it doesn't have much. Even fat is not that much in blood. Like I told you, if you want to get some percentage of one nutrient in them, understanding all this nutrient, now you can say, okay, this one plus this one plus this one can give me this. So that is how you get all these things together and mix your food. So what I want you to understand is it is easier for you to mix your feed at your farm or to formulate your own feed at the farm. If you get to understand what all these things stand for or how they work, then it will be easier for you to mix your feed. That is that about the video. Thank you for watching. If you want to reach out to me for consultation only, please, here is the number to reach out to me on WhatsApp only, please. Thank you for watching and bye for now.